pareho tayo ng tent. No?
Si Jojo bumili nito eh. So kanina, hirap na hirap akong Mike! Hello! Good morning everyone! So ito na, magmo-moto camping ang Motorcycle Republic dito sa may General Nakar. I believe sa Dapi Rocks yung campsite namin. Actually, before last Saturday, wala pa ako nararamdaman na excitement dito. Puro kaba. Kasi may off-road daw eh. Kaya two things ang ginawa ng grupo namin. Una, pumunta kami ng Moto Market Centris para bumili ng proper gears for off-road. Second, nag-training kami with Enduro Factory with Coach Pau Toral. Inalter talaga yung program, yung training para dito sa ride na to. So, right now, nadagdagan na yung confidence and excited na ako dito sa ride na to. More than 20 riders kami. So, yun, magiging masaya to and exciting. So, kita-kita tayo doon. So nandito kami ngayon sa Jariel's Peak para mag-breakfast muna kasi bago yung mga off-road namin. Actually, kulang pa yung grupo namin eh. Mga nanggaling sila nag-Laguna Loop sila. So antayin namin sila dito. Pagdating nila, syempre breakfast rin sila. Tapos ang sunod na namin is pa-General Nakar na kami. Then after nun, start na ng off-road natin. So yun, marami tayong makukuha. Magagandang experience doon. Let's go! Kain muna!
Good morning! Nandito tayo ngayon sa General Nakar Municipal Hall. Dito gagawin yung final briefing bago pumasok ng trailhead. From here, biyahe kami papuntang Dapi Rocks. Expected namin sa dami ng riders ito mga 2 to 3 hours papuntang Dapi Rocks. All off-road, some river crossing, and a very nice view. Mahilig mag-swimming sa kanila. So meron na tayong, ilan ba? Dalawa? Dalawa ba, Mike? Dalawa. May dalawang nag-swimming na. Pero ito, tingnan natin. Matapang! Where are you going? Where are you going? Let's go, Kaplan! Let's go, Kaplan!
Hello po, ako si Hero Villaneda. Isa sa napili ni Kuya Pau Tural na mag-guide sa grupo nila. Ngayon, sinamahan ko po sila dito sa Nakar. Ito yung Masanga Point na kung tawagin ng ibang bisita na pumupunta dito sa Nakar, Dapi Rocks. Pero ang katotohanan po, ito po ay Barangay Kanaway, Masanga Point po. Ito po yung lugar na ipinagmamalaki ng bayan ng General Nakar na madalas puntahan ng mga enduro riders, mga ADB at mga nagpo 4x4.
Hello, my name is Rachel. Actually, ako lang yung nag-iisang babae amongst all the members na sumama dito. So, I'm using Honda CB650R. So, very, very impossible daw for this motorbike because this is a naked bike. So, I was kind of hesitant at first to join. But, medyo maraming preparations din akong ginawa. And one of those would be changing my tire. So I'm using a dual sport tire. Masaya talaga siya. It's actually a different kind of experience, especially na nag-iisang girl lang ako sa group ng mga guys. All worth it talaga.
You went to the track day?
My name's Jason, I'm from Scotland. I did the enduro training last weekend. A day doing the basic training. First time off-road, first time not on a Vespa. So on an 853cc. The training was fantastic, controlled environment, great support, always an instructor on hand on every corner to show you what to do, to give you a tip and a trick. This is my first camping adventure and it's been exhilarating. I've been able to apply all of the skills that I was taught only a week ago, which I think is great. I didn't leave it too long between the training and doing something real. And a great bunch of people, great team, everyone helping out, everyone here for each other. Just a wonderful feeling.
Sobrang pagod, pero sobrang saya. Equal parts.
Morning, Jojo ng Motor Republic. So, we're done packing our tents. Ito lang minsan yung mga nakakalungkot sa mga biyahe natin tulad nito, no? Especially this trip, this General Nakar trip, kasi this is the first motocamping trip na ginawa natin for our group sa Motor Republic. Kahapon, dumating kami, we left early sa Manila kasi hinahabol natin na makarating tayo dito ng lunch. Kasi General Nakar is known to have plenty of seafoods, kaya we were so excited to be here ng mga around lunchtime. Pero what we did yesterday, yung may-ari ng campsite, si Hero, minabuti niya dumiretso muna tayo sa Masanga Point. Yun din ang tinatawag nilang Dapi Rock. So pinuntahan muna namin yun, tapos we crossed dalawang hanging bridges. Yung isang hanging bridge actually, pagka may mga pupunta sa inyo dito, medyo mag-prepare lang kasi yun yung bukod sa makitid, medyo mauga din siya. Pero it's very worth the trip. You need to cross those hanging bridges once you make a trip dito sa Nakar in 2 wheels kasi dito mo lang yun may experience. And yung site doon sa Dapi Rock nakakabighani, ika nga. Tapos going back dito sa campsite, minabuti ni Coach Pau Toral na idaan tayo sa river crossing kasi dito very few places na may experience mo lang dito. It was very very challenging, especially for us na na mga nagsisimula lang sa off-roading, no? So expected maraming tumumba sa amin, pero it's a good thing na nandoon si Coach Pau, si Hero, yung guide natin dito para matawid natin yon. So we will be leaving soon, very very soon, in 10 minutes siguro. So we hope you will be enjoying the trip na napanood ninyo sa video na to. And we hope to see you soon sa mga susunod na rides namin. Thank you!